didn't fall. I just was I didn't give it enough gas. I thought I had to give it enough. I'm good. I just need to crank up and pull up. Welcome back, Tip Squad. It's your girl Tiffany Renee back again. You know, a little simple video today. Well, tonight rather. You know, it's Friday. Currently 6:02 p.m. I haven't been too long got off work, so I haven't rode in a while, y'all. So I thought I'd get out, go grab something to eat, ride around town a little bit, see what else I might get into because I haven't rode and I just want to ride. And plus, you know, since the temperature is going to be dropping a little bit tonight, it's not going to be freezing cold, but it's going to be cold enough. So I wanted to try out my heated gear here that I got from Jerbing. So I'm definitely gonna let you guys know how it feels and if I was comfy. But I have on my jacket and I have on some heated lining pants here underneath my jeans. And I have some gloves. So I'm definitely gonna let you guys know, you know, was I warm or not. Alright, y'all, I'm loaded up. Get ready to ride on out. So far, I'm pretty cozy. Today at work wasn't too bad. I was always ready to go though. Made it to get something to eat, y'all. Look, my hands are kind of cold. Well, not kind of cold, they are freezing. So my gloves need to plug into a jacket or plug into the bike, and they're not gonna reach. So I was like, let me just throw the gloves on, see if they keep my hands warm. My hands are still frozen, so. But y'all, my jacket is ran by a battery pack. Let me see if I can pull it out for you guys. My hands are frozen, so I can't pull them. So I have a battery pack for my jacket, and I have a battery pack for my pants here, my liner pants. So I'm good. Look, I'm good and cozy. I'm good and toasty for that part. It's just my fingers are numb. So I'm gonna trade my gloves out and put on my other gloves when I get back on the ride. But I'm sure if I could have plugged these in because they don't run off the battery, I definitely would have been pretty good on my hands as well. Y'all, about these gloves, I had to emphasize, so it's my fault, you know. They let me pick out what I wanted, and I clearly didn't pick the gloves with the battery pack. I picked the gloves where you had to plug them into your jacket. It's a whole connecting process. So of course I couldn't connect them, but I thought, you know, let me just wear them anyway. Maybe my hands will still be warm. No, my hands are still cold, so. And I'm just a cold-natured person. I get cold. I'm cold very easily, so I always think something is cold. But anyway, so that's totally my fault. But other than that, my hands were cold, but my body, everything else, I was pretty cozy. I was pretty good. It felt real good. So there's no complaints to that. And I have the close connectors, well, buttons where I can get to them to turn them off or adjust my temperature for my pants and for my jacket. No complaints in that area. So I'm sitting here waiting for my food, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and eat when it gets here, and then I'll check back in with y'all when I get back to my bike. And I don't want to bore y'all while I eat, so I'll check back in with y'all later. Dinner was good, guys. Now off to riding somewhere. I got a couple errands to run. That's what I'm about to do. I got a couple errands I gotta run. Go do those. And then I have to meet my mom. And then I'll probably get back in. That's what I say. And then I'll find something else I'm gonna do. But like I'm gonna put my regular gloves back on because they're not as big and I feel like I can handle I'll grab my brake and clutch and everything a little bit better. since my gloves aren't turned on. So I'm gonna put that back on. I'm gonna turn my pants and my jacket back on because I turned it off during dinner. So, and I wear it on the hot. It has like 3 different settings, but I wear it on the hottest setting. Why? Because I'm always cold.
With that hand, you can smoke a fire bag, yeah. A grass hand, got money, I can pass hand, and trash hand.
Yeah, so we gone, stop, we good, stop, chill.
Fall, I just was I didn't give it enough gas. I thought I had gave it enough. I'm good. I just need to crank up and pull up. Felt myself getting unsturdy, so that's why I said, whoa, turning in this grass. And because I kind of turned and was going up a hill, like it's uneven over here. All right, guys. So I'm about to drop my kids off some clothes. They're staying with Grandma tonight. Grandma wanted them. They wanted to go to Grandma's, so guess what? They're with Grandma's. So I'm dropping off some clothes. Say, see you later. And we're off. Alright, y'all. The kids are good. They're having a good time. I try to see if they want to go home. They absolutely did not. As expected. So it is currently now 8:41. So it's on to another stop. And I gotta go pick my kids' t-shirt up. So I'm gonna go pick their t-shirt up, and then from there we'll see where else I get to. I wouldn't let that car go by. But doing some like loose end stuff and just riding around, see what I can get into. Just cause I want to ride. So, you know, when you haven't rode in a while, you find any reason to ride. And that's exactly what I'm doing tonight. In the cold. Alright, y'all, just pulled up. Gotta go get my girls' shirts. You know, we're going on a cruise, so I had to get them a shirt mailed as well with Tip Squad on it, so you know they're repping the brand hard too. So just run in, grab these shirts, and see what they look like. Y'all, I gotta show y'all, I got my baby's a shirt. Y'all see that right there? And it comes smaller for my younger one. Yes, so when we go on our cruise, so they're gonna be repping the Tip Squad brand as well. Got in contact with one of my classmates, someone I went to school with, and he hooked me up with some shirts real quick for my babies. Definitely, you know, it's nice to, you know, keep in touch with people sometimes. So I'm definitely grateful for this, and it looks good, and I can't wait for them to wear it. So when we go on our cruise, and y'all see my cruise blog, well, you'll see us all with some shirts on that say Tip Squad. I know y'all got y'all's too already, so. Alright guys, time to get ready to hop back on the bike. I still got my heated gear on and it's working good. Like, I'll turn it off when we stop and go in somewhere because I don't want to drain the battery. I think the battery's supposed to last like 4 hours. But I left it on when I went inside to get the t-shirts. And yes, I was like, ooh, like starting to feel a little toasty. But I didn't want to cut it off because I knew as soon as I get back out here, I was going to be cold again. So it's definitely feeling amazing to me. Feels good. When I feel like, you know, as soon as you sit down, like, and you bend, it squeezes tighter, hugs tighter to your body. You'll feel the heat even more. So I'm definitely like, I'm okay with it. It feels good. It's been a good night to ride. Like I said, I hadn't rode in a while. And just, even though it's nighttime out riding, it's not pretty bad. And the temperatures, I don't even know what the current temperature is. I need to check it. But it's currently right now 9:16. So, all right, I checked. Excuse me, y'all. I checked the temperature. It's currently 47 right now. So yeah, my heated gear is currently serving me well right now. Only thing, like I said, my hands are a little cold because I just need to switch my gloves out and get the battery pack gloves. But other than that, I don't have any complaints. It's awesome. To the house on the way home. Guess what? We stopped by King of the South here. Huh?
What's your names again?
Tiffany Renee. Say hello to the camera.
We're friends on Facebook.
Might be. But you from the Richmond chapter too?
I'm from Charlotte.
Charlotte?
Yeah.
Charlotte, North Carolina, from Richmond, Virginia. Look, they're part of King of the South. They came in.
Appreciate y'all coming down, supporting our brother chapter.
Always.
Y'all have a good time.
No
Nice
problem.
to finally meet y'all in person.
You too.
We doing the one chip challenge in there, so.
It's hot.
What you do?
Who doing it?
Yeah, both of y'all.
Y'all one and done. That's it. No more. Tip squad in the house. Look, we had Stacks here. He was speaking to the camera. Look, what's up?
Kings of the South.
Kings of the South. Look, I come to visit, stop through on my way home. I was like, let me go check them out. Look, they out here hanging out. I'm glad I stopped through though to come see everybody and have a good time. So, Tip Squad, make sure y'all keep on checking us out, okay? Because Kings of the South here in Fayetteville. Look, we got one here in Fayetteville, North Carolina too. So, check us out. Look what happens when you just get out and ride. You just run into all kind of things, y'all. Fun stuff.
I could do the comparison of 3 sets of heated gear because I got the Harley gear that only goes with Harley gloves and it only goes with Harley pants. I have the hot wire gear that goes with everything and it has the hot wire controller that sticks out underneath. But then I got Old Faithful Gerben. I don't never take it off.
That's what I got on the night. I got some Gerben on the night. I got some liner pants on.
They plugged in?
There's battery pack.
Okay, so going from here to South Carolina is good. Going from your house to here is good.
Right.
Try to take that shit to California with you.
Look, I done heard. I done already told him. Look, I was like, I'm gonna need some more, and I'm gonna need some cat. I'm gonna need something else because I get cold.
You ready for the secret?
What's that?
Buy hot wire from Cycle Gear.
Okay. And
lifetime warranty. And whenever you have a problem with it, take it to any cycle gear, they gotta replace it on the spot. That ain't the secret. The secret is, once it go bad and something don't work on it, they gotta upgrade you with the current version.
Y'all hear
Go
that?
talk to that girl at cycle gear.
Oh, y'all hear that?
Talk to
Tiffany.
She got the same name as you.
Look, go find her. Look, I remember her name, Tiffany. I'm gonna go find her.
All day long.
So look, Gervin, look, we still supporting it. Look, there's all different kinds of heat gear out there, look, y'all. But you gotta have something to stay warm out here. And don't be trying to ride out here and be fancy. And don't ride with nothing because you're gonna freeze.
Don't be cute.
Yes, look, don't be cute.
Don't be cute in the cold.
Y'all, tonight has been a great time tonight. I swung by is Kings of the South here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. It's their chapter anniversary weekend. And I got to swing through the night to the meet and greet. They do have parties tomorrow, and day party and then night party, of course. But look, y'all, it was a good time. Tip Squad, make sure y'all like this video, comment on this video, make sure you share this video, and get ready to take it in. Look, I turned my heated gear back on because I thought I was about to leave, and then I stayed talking for about another 30 minutes or so, and my battery's dead now, y'all. So it's about to be a brisk ride back home, but it lasted for a while. And let me see the time. It's currently 11:22, and I don't have too far to get home, but it's far enough I'm gonna be cold. But that's all right, y'all. It's totally worth it. So until next time, Tip Squad, I love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.